They are riding on a horse.
Sarap mag-ride ng horse.
Hi, Bea.
Hi.
Kamu na, Bea.
Silver. Away!
Si Dodik mahuhulog na sa horse niya. Dahan-dahan.
Look at the pine trees.
Wow, laki! Tignan mo yung horse natin.
We're right now here in Station 3, Boracay.
Ah! Nagbarakay Boho! Baguio!
And the wonderful smell of the
Horse
shit. Hi, Bella.
Hi! Laki ng horse, oh. Oh,
This is our horse.
Ika!
Brownie.
Brownies.